See the naturally made fish tub. Now we gonna make completely natural fish tub with all types of water plants. Let's go. Now we gonna add this many types of plants and also with the algae. Let's see the plants. What are we going to add? See, this is a type of first plant, and this is with the water floating plants. This and this is a water floating plants. This is also water floating plants with greens, which can be used for the cow feeding. See, this is also a type of water plant. See over it, and also with this type of plant. This is also water floating plant. Let's add into the tub. Let's go. This is other type of plant, and this is also the other type of plant with this plant, and also with this snail over here. Snail. See, this is a type of plant, and also with this algae. This is a form of algae, green algae, which is very good for the plant, which is a naturally got from the river. So let's get into the making of the fish tub. First, initially fill the bottom of the tub with the sand, light sand. No need of much sand. Little amount is enough. Filling the base, that's it. Filling the base with the sand and also with some amount of water. So let's go. Wait, I will fill, and we have filled the base with the sand, and then now we are planting this type of crops. No need to plant fully, just slightly, because they will feel like natural sand. That's it. No need to fully deep inside or fully bury the plants. Just slightly keep it. Just for the grip and also for the natural feed for the plants. That's it. No need high sand, because it will disturb the fishes. Due to the less sun today, the plants can't be very fresh, and also it's evening time. You can keep it in the center so that it will be attractive. It's enough, I think so, with this type of plant. So we have made the plant, and then we will keep in the natural area and fill with the other floating plants. Let's go. And also we have placed with the money plant over here. So let's go. See, now we are filling with the water from the bucket. Fill slowly, otherwise the sand at the base will be getting disturbed and your natural view will be disturbed. So fill slowly, no issues. I will fill completely and show you. See, now we are filled with the underwater plants, and then now we will fill with the top plants. Let's go. See, now I am placing the top plants. Don't place fully, because if fully shadowed, no underwater plants will be grown. See, 1, 2, 3 plants I have placed, and then with the 4 at this area. And don't cover fully, because the underground plants also need some sunlight. So now we can fill with the other floating plants. Let's see. See, I am filling with the other floating plants. Oh, I need to slowly fill it. See, some of other floating plants. So first we will let the fish inside this tub, and then fill with the other type of plants. See, over here we are getting the fishes inside this tub. See over it. See, the fishes have been gotten. Can you see the fishes? Now we will fill with the other plants. See how cutely they are roaming inside this natural tub. So let's fill with the other plants. See, this is the type of plant I'm filling now. And then with this type of plants. See, now it's natural made with the plant at the side. Can you spot this? Wait, we will also add the money plant over it. See, now we can add this money plant over there. See the natural look of the tub. See, it is a natural made tub with the fishes. Can you spot the fishes? See, so the fishes are very joyfully swimming inside the natural tub. See, see the naturally made fully the fish tub. See, at the night it will be looking very beautiful. See, at the night it will be very beautiful to be looking.